is Lisa Hardaway. I graduated from CU in 2000 with my PhD in Aerospace Engineering Sciences. Previously, I earned a mechanical engineering degree from Stanford University and my aeronautics and astronautics bachelor's from MIT. So today I am a chief engineer for Ball Aerospace, working on a lot of different projects over the years. Well, the transition was pretty easy. Well, I got my bachelor's and my master's straight through, and then I went on to work, and so I was ready. I happened to sign on with a company that was hiring a lot of college hires, so they knew that they had to train us and kind of get us up to speed. Then I went back for my PhD, and then when I came here to Ball, I already had a lot of that experience, so it was pretty easy to kind of slip into it. I also did, do some program work for a professor at CU, so I kind of continued some of that. I actually had a hardware project that was supposed to go onto the space station, and so I was the lead systems chief engineer for that as well. You know, we were just getting started, so we were taking the research we were doing in the lab and we were translating it into flight hardware. That didn't survive, but it was a natural transition for me to come back to work. We have certifications, so clean room, I have to know, when we went into the clean room we had a bunny up, I had to be refreshed on that every year. Electrical static discharge is every year. We have a test conductor training. We have something called beryllium awareness. One of our programs here uses beryllium, which is very toxic to the human body, so we have to know about that so that if we know if we're going into the machine shop or the clean room that it's there and how to take precautions. Then there are all types of, you know, there's management courses, there's learning how to deal with contracts, there's some technical courses. One of the things actually that I'm working on right now is called coaching, where I'll be set up with an individual person to help coach me in specific aspects of my job. Cool. So there is quite a bit of training. No, not really. I knew I wanted to be, I've known for a long time I wanted to be in aerospace, but what I was going to do when I got there never really entered my mind. And I also didn't know how I was going to get there. So, you know, I went to school. Well, you know, the jobs were kind of hard to find, so I went to grad school. I got a job. You know, I kind of did things as they came. Not necessarily very calculated, but knowing I wanted to be in the industry. I just thought landing on the moon was so cool. I'm still going to be the first woman on the moon.